Hello everyone, we are Group 1. We are here to present our video about anti-bullying campaign.
Bullying is not just school problem. It is a threat to our community. It leaves deep emotional scar, causing anxiety and isolation. Through socialization, families teach empathy at home. School educate us on digital citizenship. Most importantly, peer shape our behavior by choosing inclusion over exclusion. Socialization is not enough. Social control provides boundaries. School use anti-bullying policies to enforce rules, while guidance office step in to correct negative behavior before they grow. Every individual has the right to a safe education free from fear. By defending others, we protect human dignity and ensure everyone feels valued. When we eliminate bullying, society wins. A supportive community creates responsible citizens who uplift each other, benefiting the community good. Stand up, speak up, and be kind. Bullying hurts, but this kindness can change someone's life. Treat everyone with respect because every person deserves to feel safe, accepted, and valued. Together, we can stop bullying, one kind act at all time. Bullying is never okay because it hurts others. Everyone deserves kindness, respect, and acceptance. By choosing to be kind, supporting those who are bullied, and speaking up against bullying, we can create a safe and welcoming community for everyone.
Be a body, not a bully. Speak up, stand up.